Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is we're actually going to be looking at compound words, or sometimes we call them jigsaw words. So they're words that we find and we put together to make a new word. So we make a bigger picture with some smaller parts, but we actually choose words instead of just sounds. So I'm going to show you some examples first. I'm going to show you some examples of compound words or jigsaw words. So here's the first one, is foot plus ball equals, what might that word be? Foot plus ball equals, take the word foot and the word ball, put them together, and it makes the word football. Foot plus ball equals football. Okay, another one is paint plus brush equals, the word paint and the word brush go together to make the word paint plus brush equals paintbrush. Paintbrush. Right. And there it is, the paintbrush. It's a brush that paints, so it makes sense. About this one, so let's sound these words out together. N, sun, and ow, flower. There's only 4 sounds in that. Ow, flower. Sun plus flower equals sunflower. Sunflower. Sun plus flower equals sunflower. And there's the sunflower there. Beautiful sunflower. And it's called a sunflower because it's a flower in the shape of the sun. Okay, so that makes sense, doesn't it? It makes sense. Now here's one for you to write down. Here's one for you to write down. I plus ball equals I plus ball equals, what's the word that's going to go here? What's the word that's going to go here? I plus ball equals eyeball. Eyeball, as we would be written down there. I don't quite know why I didn't write that down. It's good. The ball inside your eye. Okay, here's another one to write down. Rain. A-N. Rain. B-O. Bow. Rain plus bow equals rainbow. Rain plus bow equals rainbow. Sometimes I think it really means like a bow and arrow. Like this bow isn't really the bow that goes in your hair, but it's actually the bow, like bow and arrow, because it's this shape, isn't it? Like the bow, a bow and arrow, rather than a curly shape like that. Rain plus bow, so it makes sense. Here's one. Now there's a picture here. There's 2 pictures here. This picture and this picture. And I want you to think and see if you can work out. Well, this one is book. Book plus one of those 2 pictures. If you're not sure, look at the screen again. Book plus shelf, or Fish. Fish. Is it book plus shelf, bookshelf, or book plus fish is bookfish? Sounds good, doesn't it? Bookfish. Bookfish. Yes, it's definitely bookfish. Bookfish. No, it is, of course, bookshelf, where I keep my books on the bookshelf. Okay, where I keep all my books on the bookshelf. I have a bookshelf, but I can't really move the camera too much. Book plus shelf is bookshelf. Okay, what about this one? Oh, it's just pictures to make it a bit trickier. So what's this? What's this there? Plus, and they're the same pictures again, shelf or fish. Star plus shelf equals star shelf. Or star plus fish equals starfish. Well done. If you wrote down star plus fish equals starfish. Oh. Now, here's another one for you. You might need to pause the video now. Pause the video now, because what I want you to do is see if you can work out which of these words, which of these go with berry, and which of these words go with bird. I'll do some with you if you're not sure. Is it blue plus berry, or d, or b, or a, k? Blueberry, strawberry, greenberry, redberry, blackberry, or bluebird, strawbird, greenbird, redbird, or blackbird. There might be more than one for each of these words. So, can you find any of those words? Pause the video now. That might help you, give you some more time. Well done. If you write down blueberry, strawberry, and blackberry, and bluebird and blackbird. I couldn't think of any more there, but you might know some more. There's no such thing as a strawbird. Now, here's your activity for today. What I want you to do is use these words here. You might need to sound them out. I will sound them out in a moment, but you can do it on your own, to see if you can make any compound words. So you're going to take two words, put them together. I'm going to help you out already, just give you one. So here's the word snow, snow. Can you find another word that goes with snow to make a word that you've heard before? Snow bath. No. Snow wheel. No. Snow man. Oh yes, that's real, isn't it? A snowman. Snowman. And it's your challenge. If you find 5 words, you can give yourself a bronze medal. Or a silver challenge is 10 words. And the gold challenge is actually quite tricky. It's actually really tricky today. And that's 15 words. If you can find 15 words in there. So I'll just read the words to you. Is it there? Wheel. E-O. Wheel. A. D. Under. A. A. Arm. B. E. D. Bed. P. L. A. Play. H. A. L. Hail. G. Ow. D. Ground. S. O. Snow. B. A. bath or bath. Foot. Man. Bag. Room. Bean. Or. Storm. Air. Trigraph air nearly caught me out there. Air. Chair. Or bow, ball, and hand. So see if you can make some new compound words out of these, and then you could draw a picture with some of those things in and see if I can work out what those words are. So you could draw a picture of a snowman with some of those other things that you can find. Okay, good luck. Speak to you soon.